Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Vechain crypto. If you are a holder, that live price prediction is very important for you. If you are a holder, so please watch this video with the end, and if you are not a holder of Vechain crypto, so leave this video now. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour, and after that we decide that according to the last 1 hour price prediction that it's time to buy, sell or hold Vechain crypto in cryptocurrencies markets. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel, because ABS Tech channel update you every hour from the every cryptocurrencies news. As you can see here, the current situation of the Vechain crypto, as you can see here, now there are unbelievable changes occur in the Vechain crypto, absolutely good chances. And friends, if we see the changes, every change of the last 1 hour of the Vechain crypto, so the every change is about positive 2.67% chance occur in the Vechain and the last 1 hour. That change occurs in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Vechain is about $0.11881 is the high price of Vechain in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, the last 1 hour result is absolutely good. So according to the price prediction of the previous last 1 hour, as you can see now on the screen, the price changes and the high price and the chart analysis. So it is clear that if you are a holder, my suggestion for you, if you are a holder of Vechain crypto, so my suggestion for you that hold your Vechain coin with the last of this month, because Vechain take a high jump soon, so wait for their high pump and hold your Vechain crypto. And if you want to buy Vechain crypto, so absolutely it's a really big decision for all of you that if you want to buy, so please buy it at this time. Currently time is very better for a buying of Vechain crypto, and if you want to sell it, so it's not a bad for all of you. If you are compelled to buy Vechain crypto, so buy it, and if you are not compelled to buy Vechain, sell Vechain, so don't sell it, hold it, because in the future days they give you a very big amount of money, so wait for it. Now let's see the previous last 2 hour, what's going in the last 2 hour. Let's look at the last 2 hour price prediction. As I told you, the previous hour falling down days of the Vechain, hours, and now currently in the previous last hours they take a jump, as you can see here, and the previous hours they falling down for a later time, and now currently they are in the jump. So if we talk about the average change, so the average change is about positive 1.31% soccer, and the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of the Vechain is about $0.119039. And friends, also share your opinion in the comment box, what should we do and this time in the Vechain holders. Please share your opinion in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel, stay connected with the ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel update you every hour from new cryptocurrency news.